Our emotions and thoughts are the foundation of mindful living. Cultivating presence, acceptance, and allowing our emotions to flow freely while experiencing those emotions, those moments of pause are the doorway to artful living. Allow me to take you on a journey within to find that deeper connection with your soul through meditative art. Yes, I'm a firm believer in meditation through art, as my soul showed me the path to the light within through my artwork. Let's start painting on this canvas. I have a 16 by 20 canvas here, and the colors that I have on my palette today are orange, red, yellow, golden, and white. Yeah, I know you can't see anything right now here because I am using white. White in the center. The divine light that I feel connected with. The divine light that I like to invite in my heart and in my soul. Every moment is what I'm painting today, right in the middle. Followed by some yellow, the glow of the sun. Who doesn't like the sun? Especially here in Ottawa, as we are stepping into the colder months, we all appreciate the warm glow of the sun, isn't it? Some orange, some red. I feel like mixing colors today. What do you feel like? Know that at this moment there is nowhere you need to be, nothing else you need to do, but just to be in this moment and enjoy. Be creative. Let your inner child out and simply have fun. When you choose art as a tool to express your inner child, your inner being, then you simply let it flow. Let it come from that deepest part of your soul. Cultivate presence. Always remember that now is the moment. So be present in the moment. And you know what? Mistakes are opportunities. Mistakes are opportunities to see what needs to be healed within. They are opportunities to dive deeper in your soul. They allow you to step out of your comfort zone. Most of the time, we are so critical of ourselves that we fail to see our inner beauty. Sometimes our urge for perfection in all that we do takes over our ability to enjoy each moment as it comes. Mindfully choose to let go of all that doesn't serve you. Mindfully choose to express what's deep in your heart. Mindfully choose to step outside your comfort zone. Mindfulness is all about being kind, gentle, and compassionate towards you, yourself, because you can only pour from the cup what you have in your cup. So, beautiful souls, be gentle to yourself. Be kind and compassionate to yourself. There is no way you can go wrong in painting this beautiful piece of art. Because what comes from the depths of your soul has got to be beautiful, because you are beautiful inside out. You are worthy. You are a being of light, as illuminating as the light itself. You are whole. You are worthy. You are light. Let that light shine from inside out. Let that light shine, beautiful soul. Let that light shine from inside out. Today I feel called to use Om. Om is the sound of the universe. And I feel called to use Om right in the center, because somehow I'm being drawn to that light in the center. And this light, believe me, beautiful souls, is in each one of us. All we need to do is to connect with that light that's within. And art is one such tool that allows me to get into that meditative state where I can connect with the light within. So I am ready to add in the middle. And because most of my artwork always have metallics or glitters, I am gonna let you know that I am about to use this metallic paint. How mesmerizing is this? Lovely metallics. And I'm gonna write Om right in the center. Feel free to write any symbol that speaks to you. Ideally, I would let it dry for some time and then write the symbol or draw the symbol on the artwork itself. But for the purposes of doing a virtual workshop, I am just doing it on top of wet paint, wet on wet, and that's why you see those lines. But I have learned not to be self-critical. I have learned to treat myself with love, kindness, and compassion. So that's what I can give to every relationship in my life. So I'm treating myself with love and kindness today, knowing that it's not ideal to paint wet on wet when you are doing this kind of art. But I am living this moment, having lots of fun with you all, painting my own mindful intuitions. And beautiful souls, this is what I created today with you, having fun with you, leading this virtual mindful art workshop. My cup is so full. I express my deepest gratitude to you all for joining me for this virtual art workshop. Namaste.